the third one of these Blender intro things I'm doing. Anyway, so we looked at the tools, some basic stuff. You know, you can play with, looked at what you could play with. You know, shape your form to get it to where you want it to be. Anyway, what did I make? Nothing. Yeah. So you're playing with that stuff, and you're okay. You played with all these, and you see what you can do, and you can stretch and change this shape a lot. But one other thing you can do, and there's probably better ways out there, because online when I was looking for this, some people have an add-on to Blender that they got that that I don't have on here, and they could do the combining of objects right in the sculpt window, sculpt world. But I don't got that, or at least I don't know how to use it properly. So what you can do, say you want to add another object to this object, we can click up here in the mode area and go to object mode. And all of a sudden we're highlighted when we're clicked on it. Anyway, so what you want to do then is slide over to add. So we're in the object mode, we hit add, slide down, look for a mesh, and eeny, meeny, miny, mo, let's put a cylinder in there. So now there's a cylinder stuck into our thing. So I'm going to go to actually move, and we'll pull that cylinder down a little bit. And then actually let's go to transform, and we might even play with it. There it goes. So, you know, I could spend some time messing around with that and seeing what we could do. But, so say I want to sculpt on this, and I want to actually combine them. Now, somewhere in here there's join, but that doesn't really join them in a nice way. But what I want to do is, we got that one highlighted, I'm going to go up here to the, where do you go? Little wrench. Click the wrench, this little blue wrench, right there. And I'm going to add a modifier. And then I'm going to click Boolean, or Boolean, I don't know. Click that, and then I want to go with, I want to combine these so that we don't want to cut away something. So I want to go to union. I want them to be combined. And I'm going to take this eyedropper thing, looking thing, and grab that, and I'm going to click on one of these, and it failed to set value because I clicked on the wrong one. So try again. If at first you don't succeed, just keep clicking on stuff till your computer crashes. But you'll notice now it seems to have worked. But I still have to hit apply, I think. I hit apply, it's gone. And now, when I move this, which way should I move? Should I move the other way? There. So, this, I can move, and this thing here, we want to get rid of that. So you can select it as it is selected there, and then click X, and then it comes up with a delete thing. Okay, boom. So now we have this guy here. So I'm going to go back into the, oh, I gotta click him. I'm going to go back into, so notice that what happened there. I went over here to go into the different mode. Well, now it's there. Anyway, so let me see that to click back and forth. Now we're back into sculpt mode. So now when I sculpt, and we'll make this radius a little smaller, and I come down here, see, I want to go like this. It doesn't, because this has a finer mesh with more triangles, it just, when it does work on this, it's kind of, it's bending it, but it's not really, it's too big of, it's like big giant panels. So, and again, the net, whatever that word is, has to be off. I can click remesh, and we can try to fix things. Although, what I want to do with that one. remesh. There we go. So now it's giving it some more. So when I go in here, it's more like the sculpting object, the thing with lots of meshes on it. And so that is that, joining things together. Anyway, have fun.